Hello friend. Now in this second part we'll talk about these three small paragraphs. Okay, I will read and I will explain in short. A farmer. After I had paid the advance money for the land, I thought I would have some time to get familiar with farming. But Moru Dada, the broker who got us the land, had other ideas. He was keen that we plant Moong at once. I was not prepared for this. I was still reading books and trying to figure out what we could sow and how we should go about it. Moru Dada was quite firm. He said the season was right for sowing moong and the best seeds were available in Surat in the adjacent state of Gujarat. Now, friend, in this first small paragraph, we come to know that Moru Dada, he is a broker, he is a land broker, and he had sold land to our writer. Okay, second point, writer was reading a book and he was trying to figure out which crop, which seed he should sow in his farm. But Moru Dada had advised our writer that this is the best season that he should sow moong crop in his land. Here keen means interested. Moru Dada was very much interested that writer should sow moong crop, moong seed in his land. And he also told that the best quality seed of moong is available in Surat. Surat is one of the city in Gujarat. Okay, so in this small paragraph we come to know Moru Dada, he is a land broker. He had sold land to our writer and he advised our writer to sow the seed of moong crop in his land. And the best quality of moong seed is available in Surat. Surat is one of the city in Gujarat. Now let's go to the second paragraph. I made a quick trip to Surat and brought around 10 kilograms of moong. Moru Dada rented his tractor to plow the land and quickly planted moong all over the place. So, writer he heard the advice of Moru Dada. He went to Surat and from there he brought 10 kg moong. And with the help of Moru Dada, he planted moong crop in his land. He also rented a tractor from Moru Dada and on the whole land they planted moong crop. Now let's see the third paragraph. A few days later, we were overjoyed to see tiny green leaves. I had never seen moong growing before and was thrilled at the sight. It was the same thrill I had felt as a young boy when I saw the first of the hibiscus I had planted bloom at the railway quarters in Ville Parle in Mumbai. I was grateful to have taken Moru's advice. Now, friend, in this third paragraph, writer expressed his joy for listening the advice of Moru Dada because now there was a moong crop all over his field and he was very happy and he told when he was small and when he saw the hibiscus flower that time उनको उतना जितना खुशी हुई थी same happiness he felt when he saw the moong crop in his land. Okay friends, so here we come across one more character जिसका नाम है मोरू दादा and he had advised him to plant a moong crop in his land. Thank you.